Hey friends, I'm Jackie and welcome back for another episode here on Hearth and Apron. So today I am doing a decor organization collab with the incredible Ingrid from Ingrid's Chronicles. And on her channel you're going to just find all kinds of motivation, whether it be from homeschooling, recipes, helping you organize your thoughts and feelings, and even learning how to journal, to decor. Ingrid will have you covered. So make sure that you check her out after you are done with this video. Her video will be down in the description bar, and most importantly, Ingrid is just a really genuine, fantastic person, and I am so glad that I've got to know her here on Instagram and YouTube, so don't forget to check her out after this video. Now, my video today is going to be a small makeover on my daughter's bedroom closet. It was just really unutilized space, so we're going to tear that all out and see if we can't make her a space that is just more usable for her and to just utilize that area a little bit better. Anyways though, let's go ahead and get going. So you are going to notice several different dress changes throughout this episode, and that is because we kind of worked on this as we had time. It was kind of a side project that we were working on, but I'm still super excited to share it with you. Also, if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, you know what to do. It's down below. We are at Lowe's, where we are going to be picking out an organizational system for my daughter's closet.
Started to look real promising.
We are on our way home. We did find a really nice organizational system for her closet. We picked up some new flooring as well as some stuff to build her some shelves for some of her blankets. I also found, please excuse the dinging, I need to put my seatbelt on. We also found some really awesome hyacinth baskets that were on clearance for $6.50, and that was really exciting. If you notice that I'm not looking at you, it's because I am actually driving. I have a little stand for you guys, and so, but I wanted to take a second to say victory! So this is what my daughter had to work with in the beginning. As you can see, it was just one long bar with a shelf on top across this whole thing. But the problem is a lot of this is covered by wall, and so she really didn't utilize anything that was on the sides. She did already empty this out for me, so I'm sorry I don't have like a true before picture for you, and that's because she was really excited to get it done. And we went ahead and ripped that carpet out as well off screen because, I don't know, I guess we just forgot. As you can see, Nate just went ahead and took out that rack for me, and then I'm going to come in and just kind of wipe down the walls. I feel like that's really nice to do in the house in general every once in a while. Just give everything a nice wipe down. So after that, I'm going to come in and vacuum this, and we're going to put down some new flooring into this closet. In case you're curious, this tile that I'm putting down here is a peel and stick tile, and I picked it up from Home Depot, and I believe it is called tumbled stone. Also, sorry about my hair, guys. It was wet from a shower. It looks kind of funny on film.
Running up a mountain and climbing a tree, twisted like a snake and busy like bees.
Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and put together this little CLOSETMAID organizational system. I always seem to struggle with these, guys. I don't know what is wrong with me, but I always, take the wrong panel and put things in the wrong way. I don't know. So bear with me for a second as I get this all put together, and you're going to see I have some help. And then we are going to move this into the closet. The original intention of this was to have some bars on the side as well as like having this right in the middle, kind of how it was supposed to be. But that's, I really didn't take into consideration the fact that it would block off both sides because of the depth. So what we ended up doing is putting this over to the side on the left-hand side and then taking the two bars and putting them on the wall on the other side. And what it kind of ended up doing was creating like a little walk-in closet. I feel like it utilized the space even better than I was thinking originally. Do you guys ever have that with a project where you get started and you're like, oh, I guess that isn't going to work that way. Let's reconfigure.
Don't know what is wrong with me. Boy, how you know you got that something here? I'm just standing doing nothing. From across the room, you got me flushing. I got a crush just like a gold rush. Boy, how you know you got that something here? I'm just standing doing nothing. From across the room, you got me flushing. I got a crush.
So now we are just going to go ahead and use the little feet down below to level this out before we secure it to the wall.
How you know you got that something here? I'm just standing doing nothing. From across the room, you got me blushing. I gotta crush just like a gold rush.
Okay, so now my hubby is just going to go ahead and put up what I'm calling a blanket shelf. It is actually a 24-inch by 24-inch shelf. And the reason for that is to help hold some of those bigger comforters and blankets so that they don't fall off the shelf. Okay, so now he's going to go ahead and put in those hanging racks for me, and then I will see you tomorrow when we are going to go ahead and fill up this closet the rest of the way.
In your eyes I put my trust. Baby, you're my all-time favorite drug. Let them keep talking about us, 'cause they don't know, we'll never know. When the rain hits hard on my window, when the night's too dark, you're my hero. When our troubles come, we can lay low. Say it like we're never gonna leave. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. We gon' ride until the sunset, just you and me. We gon' sing along to our songs at the top of our lungs. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies, the movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies, the movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. Good as gold, got this on lock, and they can't ever make us stop it. Come take my hand, get on this rocket. They don't know, we'll never know. When the rain hits hard on my window, when the night's too dark, you're my hero. When our troubles come, we can lay low. Say it like we're never gonna leave. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. We gon' ride until the sunset, just you and me. We gon' sing along to our songs at the top of our lungs. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies, the movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies.
Okay, so now that we've got this closet mostly filled, I found that I felt like the middle was just kind of lacking, and she had some stuffed animals that she treasures but doesn't necessarily want out in her room anymore, so I found this adorable rack at Ross, and I'm going to go ahead and put it up over her laundry basket. And then I'm also going to bring in this stone plaque that we got when I was pregnant with her that says her name and put it up over top. So I felt like this just kind of completed the makeover in the closet. As you can tell, the door is off, and that is because we are painting it in the other room. I'm not going to have a chance to show that to you right now, but I will make a point to put it on Instagram.
The movies, the movies, the movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third, then the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with that bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. For the second chance, I say I'm nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry.
Guys, this is a wrap. I'm gonna go ahead and show you some shots of how the closet turned out. Please bear with me. It was so hard to get a picture of how this actually turned out, because while you can actually walk in and twirl around inside the closet now, it really was hard to film as I was doing this. So anyways, I hope that you really enjoyed today's makeover and that it gave you some ideas of maybe what you could do in a small closet in your home. If this is something that you want to do or you liked the episode, don't forget to let me know down below. I love to hear your feedback and hear what you think.